Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fix this item is not available in your country in Google Play Store. If you want to download any app and you are facing the problem to download this app and this red line is available in your mobile, this item is not available in your country, how to fix this problem. In this video I will tell you the complete solution. First of all, open Play Store. Here is the option of Play Store. Tap on it, and after that you have to tap on Profile, and now open Setting, and here you will see the next option of General, and next option Account and Device Preferences. Tap on it, and here you will see next option Country Profile. Tap on it, and you can see you cannot change country from here. What to do? In this video I will tell you the complete solution to change this region. First of all, go to Play Store and again tap on Profile. Here you will see next option Payment and Subscription, and after that Payment Method, and here you will see More Payment Setting. Open it, and now you have to simply click on three lines on left side of your mobile. Tap on it, and after that there is next option of Setting. Tap it and open it, and after that you will see next option Country and Region. Tap on Pencil, and here you will see Create new profile. Here is the blue color line, Create new profile. Tap on it, and after that Continue. Tap on Continue, and here you have to choose country region. Simply tap on it and you can choose any country from here. You want to select any one of this country, you can select, and after that Continue, and now here is the next option Address. You have to write address here. Name, account type, individual, name and address. You have to write your name, address and the town. Here you have to write town and postcode. You have to write your code, and after that there is an option you have to fill this form. Completely fill this form carefully by writing your name, town, address line and postcode. You have to write all of this and now submit, and after you submit you will see an option of OK, and you have to tap on OK, and after that you have to simply go to Play Store and now open Profile. Again tap on Setting. Here is the next option General. Tap on it, and after that you will see next option Account and Device Preferences, and now you have to select Country and Profile. Here you will see the option of region that you selected. Simply select your region from here, and now you are able to select your region from here. As you know you are not able to select your region from here now, but after setting all this you have to select your region from here and you are able to select your region, and after that you have to simply select it and go back, and now you can select any one of app and download.